In front of me is REALME C73 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Apps. Then select App Cloner over here and click on grey switcher next to any app you wish to clone. Then wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can hold it and uninstall it, or go back to the same settings and use blue switcher right next to it. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!